Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ramada Plaza by Wyndham Chicago North Shore. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located next to the Chicago Executive Airport, this Wheeling Eel hotel offers complimentary shuttle services, an on-site restaurant and bar, bowling alley and conference center. Free Wi-Fi is available. Every room at Ramada Plaza Chicago North Shore provides a flat-screen HDTV with premium cable and movie channels, along with a microwave, small refrigerator and coffee maker. Private bathrooms include a bathtub, shower and hairdryer. Tap House Grill offers an array of craft beers, alongside a diverse menu of house-made dishes for lunch and dinner. In-room dining services are available for guest convenience. The hotel offers 5,000 square feet of flexible meeting and event space. A fitness center, business center and laundry facilities are all available on site. House of Music and Entertainment is 6 miles away from the hotel. Allstate Arena and Chicago Botanic Gardens are both a 21-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.